Hello everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. Look, I finally decided to bring one of those. This is the Kaiju EXT. This monster, it's a 1/8 scale brushless electric 6S monster truck. It looks like it's have nice wheels. Let's open it up, see what's going on inside, see if we like it or not. You know, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I haven't done long time Redcat racing. I just did not see the value in it anymore. It's kind of a move more like toward the Arma, and you know, it's kind of whatever was the better product, but let's give it a try, see if this is maybe gonna be a jump back or not. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so to start, the box is like, again, it's a cheaper box. It's not like the Arma boxes that are pretty thick. It's have quality control pass on it, so I'm really interested how the quality gonna be since it's have a quality control on it. Let's open it up. The kind of the box breaking right away. Of course, when you open it, you have some tools that are gonna fall off, so make sure to catch them. Let's pull the vehicle itself. Okay. Okay, it's packed kind of, wow, look how beat up this thing is. I don't believe this. This is out of the box. I just literally cut it open. The nylon that they put here got completely disintegrated. It's mean that this is not working. Redcat, pay attention. This thing don't work. It's literally look like the plastic is beat up right out of the box. So, but it's not a big deal. It's just like an air scoop that they put on the top. The remote obviously is over there. I'm not even gonna bother. It's a cheap remote that they put inside. And then let's look at this thing real quick. So it's look pretty nice. Those wheels, they look very similar, like in the shape a little bit, like what come on Fire Team from Arma, but it's not kind of, it just kind of look alike. It don't have like the twill design on it and everything. And of course those are have the Redcat, and they don't feel as nice as the other one. Actually this rubber on this feel okay, you know, for the price of what this thing go, it's actually okay. The other one costs like almost like 3 times this price of this truck. Now let's put it on the front over here and see from the front look. It look pretty nice. Like they extended here the body more than I would like to see. Like it's kind of the highest car truck body that I ever see, I think. But it's actually cool. It will prevent like dirt and stuff going to your shock. Speaking on the shock, I can already see that there is a shock 3-position shock adjustment over here. So this is actually a very good thing, left and right. So pay attention to those. Let's remove the body because you cannot really know what's going on until you actually remove the body. The body look actually really nice. They put like those rubber pieces like Arma have. Hopefully they're gonna last more than 5 minutes. Okay, so inside it looks like they did some reinforcement plastics, and it's really nice. It's actually the body painted from inside, actually really thick. You can actually scratch it. It looks like they painted it and then did another coating. Over here it's already falling apart. Let's cut it and see what's going on inside there. Okay, so first thing first, let's put the body aside. I want to, before we get there, those shocks are nice aluminum shocks. They are coil-over shocks, so you can actually adjust them. Let's check the rebound on this. It's actually coming out really slow, so I like the fact that the rebound on it is good. It means that when it's gonna get tossed on the floor, it will actually gonna land very gently, so it's really nice. Now the construction on this is really nice over here. They did the support from the side of the frame all the way into your shock towers, and then it's look like it's kind of got thickened on the front, so this will be able to absorb a little bit impact, so it's pretty nice. Now on the back, of course, you have bigger shocks, also with the 3-position adjustment. You have the wheelie bars actually with rubber wheels. It's really, actually really nice. Then the shocks here also like done really nice, and then when you look at the dog bone, those dog bone actually look like pretty promising. They're pretty thick. So let's hope that actually I'm not going to be mistaken and they will be good. There is another holes over here. I don't know what they are for. I'm assuming it's like to put a longer wheelie bar or something on it, but I guess we're going to figure out later. And of course you have the spoiler on the back that is adjustable, so we can go from there and check. Okay, so let's continue here. Again, rear have the same shock tower support, and this is removable. Actually, it's have two screws, so you can actually remove it. Now let's remove this. Okay, this dust cover. It's actually great shower head cover. Just kidding, but you can use a shower head cover for this. Now there is a big motor here. This motor, it's a 6S, is the 4068, and it's a 21 kV. Now it's very good, strong motor, and actually it will actually run this car really good. You have here the waterproof box for your receiver, and of course you have 25 kilogram servo. Those are very good. You know what, when I compare stuff to Arma over there or Losi, usually their servo keep breaking, and I end up using those servo that they put in for the X-Fly's 25 kilogram. Those are very good servos. I abused the hell out of those servos on other robots that I built for customers, and they are very, very good. I literally used, I think, more than a couple hundreds of those already. Now, when you look here, you have a DIN connector, and I think that this is a weak point. I think it's a super weak point on a 6 cell. Because the DIN rating, and I hope someone at Redcat will listen, the DIN rating, you see like how thin this thing is versus how thick this wire is. So you're not gonna get enough power draining like into the system. So this need to be changed to like the EC5 or XT90, something much bigger, so it's gonna be actually give you more performance, and you're gonna have less heat, because those little guys, they usually actually melt and fall off whenever you force them too much. Now they did put a fan on it, and it's really cool to cool it down, and actually there is also some cooling ribs on this, the entire system. And of course they have their ESC, and the 6S is 150 amp ESC that have actually the fan on it, and of course on-off switch with a big no over here. Don't press the reset button, then you're not gonna have reverse, and it's a pain like to actually make it work again. The upper arm over here, really nice because they're wide, and then there is here the adjustment parts. Now this adjustment part is a little bit too narrow, so I think that is gonna be a breaking point on those. So if it's ever break on you, try to actually cut it off and rethread those with a thicker rods. Go to something a little bit thicker than this. This is look like about 4 or 5 millimeter. It's probably 5 millimeter. I would go like to 6 millimeter or even 8, and then the upper will be much stronger. Overall, it's actually look nicer than what I wanted to give credit to be honest with you guys. And what we need to do is actually go and try it. This is on sale right now at our shop, and if any of you guys want to try it, please come. I think that it's really good. I haven't done, again, long time Redcat review. I think that the platform is really nice. When you look on the bottom, we haven't done that yet. Nice Redcat racing. Then they have the nice chassis over here, and with the reinforcement. There is a metal arm over here on the servo, and hook up here, you know, to the steering and servo saver. There's a big slider over here, so when you hit stuff, you're not gonna break it very easily. And those like lower A arm, they look actually pretty good, although it's like you see I can turn it very easy, warp it by hand. I don't know if this is going to be a breaking point, or this is going to be a place that's going to be more flexible. When you hit the ground, it's not going to break. Let's put the body back on this. So when you put the body back on it, again, this is how it's look. It's look pretty awesome. Those colors kind of very neutral, so it's really cool. You can add whatever stickers you want on this, and it's gonna look awesome. And there is the air scoop here on the top. I'm assuming that they did this in order to put some air in to cool down the motor. A smarter way will be to take this thing and actually put it right there on the door to cool the motor right there inside. Not on the top, but put it from the side, the air intake. Maybe they're gonna listen and do it on the next video, on the next car. And again, this is Eric over here. at Moto Style Shop. We located at 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills. And this is our new shop. If you haven't seen it yet, we have kind of everything over here. See you. If you have any question or comments, put it below. Again, I just did a quick review on it. I stopped probably like 10 times while doing this video because people came to the shop and people was calling my phone, so I was need to stop and actually go. So if you see all those hiccups in the video, this is why. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. More people that will see the videos, more stuff we get to give you guys for free. Bye, see you.